everyone, Ed Gallagher, Beck Center's Director of Education here with this week's Creating Our Future preview with a sneak peek of the spaces as they evolve into our updated education wing. So let's start in the Pottery Studios, Room 109, the original lobby of the Lakewood Little Theater, which was home to many classes, resources, and our 2 kilns, as well as Room 111, where our 10 pottery wheels were utilized for weekly classes for students of all ages. This space will be shifted into the area outlined in red, an opened up pottery studio all in one space for more effective teaching while bringing our students and class resources all together. It's here that Kids in Clay, a class for the very young to work side by side with their adult, will be held, as will all levels of pottery, from the aspiring novice to the advanced adult honing their skills on the pottery wheel. And at the bottom left, you'll see our new art therapy studio, where individuals with disabilities will take part in private art therapy sessions, or where adults will share arts experiences and art makers, an adapted art program, while they expand their art skills and prepare their work to be displayed in our exhibitions. And finally, Room 107, a former art and theater room that's been taken down to the studs in anticipation of becoming a 1,000 square foot dance studio with sprung floor, new sound system, mirrors, and bars all around the perimeter. The space will come to life in January when we welcome dancers of all ages for ballet, point, jazz, contemporary, and more as they continue to develop life and dance skills every time they step into our great new studio. It's exciting to be creating our future while preparing our students for theirs. We will see you back here soon.